everybody, welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. Boy, this is really fun. I hope everybody's enjoying it, and if you do, please subscribe to my channel, because when I hit 500 subscribers, I'm doing a giveaway, so I'm pretty excited about that, and it's going to be fabulous, just like me. So there you go. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into Vlogmas number 3. The bag of the day, I'm still using my Haunted Mansion 50th edition with the luggage tag, which is pretty cool. It's a little small, like I said yesterday, but Dooney and Burke, they make a pretty cool Disney bag. And this is from the Haunted Mansion 50th anniversary. So it's pretty versatile, and I'll probably be swapping out of that probably tomorrow. I like to run it about a week and then rotate, so it makes it kind of good that way. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into the Reese's number 3. So let's see what we got here. Alright. Oh, we got a green one, so I'll give that one to Ted. He'll appreciate that. Alright, and then my handmade advent calendar. Looks like this. I put some stuff together. Number 3. Let's go ahead and open it up. Ah, it's from Pandora. Very cool. Alright. Hopefully you can see that. It's kind of hard to see. Alright. It's a bracelet. It's rose gold. It's the locket. And you just press on the side and it opens up, and it's like pink and purple. So I'll be wearing this tomorrow, and I'll put a picture of this on Instagram, so make sure that you follow me, Srstyle, and I'll be posting that on Instagram, so make sure you check that out. Alright, so what are you guys doing for Christmas? Anything exciting? Because of the pandemic, are you ordering a lot of stuff online, such as my unboxing? So let's go ahead and see what I got. This is from Florida, and I'll leave the personal shopper's information below. She's super great. And I didn't have to pay import tax for this one, so that saved a little bit of money anyways. And this is my last Disney for the year, and probably for a while. I'm not going to be ordering too much stuff next year. It's going to be a low buy year, so we'll see how that goes. Alright, so I got a Spirit jersey. This is the bronze. This is real pretty. Ooh, and it even has, look at the back. Okay, that's cool. Alright, that's first one. And I got some Jingle Bell Fun Disney style, so I thought that would be kind of fun during the Christmas time. And I got some really cool dish towels. It says Mickey, and then it has a Small World on the back there. And she wraps up everything really super nice. Alright, and these are pretty cool socks. They're tie-dye Mickey. And I give these as gifts as well, so it works out pretty good. Pink, it's blue. Sleeping Beauty socks. Alright, let's see what else I got in here. Mini oven mitts. Those always come in handy. Mickey, same thing. And all this stuff is over half price, so. All right, and this is a bag, this is a Mickey bag holder. Okay. And home is where the haunt is, Post-its. Alright, and let's see what these are. Oh, okay, cool. This is the multicolor pen. And then she gave me another Minnie Mouse pen. Those always are nice to have. Stick that one in my purse. This one is my backup. You see, she packages everything really super nice. Alright, and this is a tumbler, and it has Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Has like silicone kind of top, and it's pretty generous in size. All right. Oh, these are pretty heavy. Let's see what these are. Oh, these are the pumpkin spice candles. These are from Halloween. So I figured these would make really excellent gifts. And these are really super heavy. So you get a lot of use out of that. And got a really cool Hawaii metal mug, and it comes with a really cool top. And she puts these little Mickey heads in there for, it's kind of cool. Alright, and let's see what else here. Last but not least. Oh, okay, another holiday mug. I got this one for Ted for the holidays from Starbucks. And these really hold a lot, and they keep your coffee super warm. So I wanted to surprise him with a Starbucks mug. So he's gonna love that. It has a little Christmas tree on it. Starbucks. And these are really super expensive, but at the Character Warehouse, they're not. They're like, these are normally $35, and you get them at the Character Warehouse for about $2.99. All right, so that is Vlogmas number 3. My unboxing and all the fun that we had today. Looking forward to doing another one tomorrow. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on all the fun. And make sure you ring my bell because, like I said, Vlogmas every single day. Alright, so until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style, from a senior point of view. Happy holidays, and I'll see you tomorrow for Vlogmas. Bye now.